Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of anti-inflammatory drinks. These are like superheroes for your body, fighting off inflammation and keeping you healthy. Keeping inflammation low is key to staying healthy and avoiding chronic diseases like heart problems and diabetes. It's like giving your body a shield against sickness. So, paying attention to inflammation is super important for your health. Get ready to discover some tasty drinks that can work wonders for your well-being. Number 1. Turmeric Latte. Turmeric is really good for you because it can help reduce inflammation and has lots of antioxidants. These things are like superheroes for your body, fighting off bad stuff and keeping you healthy. To make a turmeric latte, you just need some turmeric powder, milk or a milk substitute, honey, and spices like cinnamon and ginger. Mix them all together and heat them up for a tasty and comforting drink. It's perfect for warming you up and making you feel cozy. So, when you drink a turmeric latte, you're giving your body a big boost of goodness that can make you feel great. Number 2. Ginger Lemonade. Ginger and lemon are like superheroes for your body. Ginger helps fight inflammation, while lemon detoxifies and cleanses. Making ginger lemonade is easy peasy. Just mix fresh ginger, lemon juice, honey, and water together. Voila! You've got a delicious and hydrating drink that's perfect for cooling down on a hot day. It's like a burst of refreshment in every sip. Number 3. Green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins that help fight inflammation in your body. To brew a cup of green tea properly, just steep a tea bag or loose tea leaves in hot water for a few minutes. Then remove the bag or strain the leaves. This ensures you get all the health benefits. Plus, green tea can also improve your brain function and help with losing fat, making it a super drink for both your body and mind. Number 4. Pineapple Smoothie. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapple that helps reduce inflammation in your body. It's like a natural healer that can soothe soreness and discomfort. To make a delicious pineapple smoothie, blend fresh or frozen pineapple chunks with spinach or kale, a banana, and either coconut water or almond milk. This creates a tropical flavored smoothie that's not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients. Enjoy the refreshing taste while knowing you're giving your body a healthy boost. Number 5. Beetroot juice. Beetroot is loaded with lots of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory stuff that are really good for you. These compounds help your body fight off harmful stuff and reduce inflammation, which can make you feel better overall. To make beetroot juice, just blend together fresh beets, carrots, apples, and a little bit of ginger for some extra flavor. This tasty juice not only tastes great, but also has potential benefits for regulating blood pressure and improving exercise performance. It's like a powerhouse drink for your body. Number 6. Cherry Turmeric Smoothie. Cherries and turmeric are both packed with anti-inflammatory goodness, making them a perfect pair for a healthy smoothie. To whip up a cherry turmeric smoothie, blend together frozen cherries, banana, turmeric, ginger, and almond milk. This creates a deliciously vibrant drink, bursting with antioxidants. Not only does it taste amazing, but it also helps your body fight inflammation and stay healthy. Cheers to a tasty and nutritious treat. In the video, we talked about 6 awesome anti-inflammatory drinks: turmeric latte, green tea, ginger lemonade, pineapple smoothie, beetroot juice, and cherry turmeric smoothie. These drinks are not only delicious, but also packed with ingredients that can help reduce inflammation in your body. So why not try incorporating them into your daily routine? For better health and less inflammation, your body will thank you for it. Subscribe for more tips on managing and living a healthy lifestyle.